Someone here is trying to dominate a situation, Divine Collective, by attacking your crown, okay? They're angry about your good fortune here, Spirit says. They're sending you the evil eye, fighting hard for you not to get to this wheel of fortune, Divine Collective. This is a past person. I heard betrayal of trust. This is someone who's not loyal, and they're still in this energy, Divine Collective, okay? Still. Nothing has changed. They have not changed. I'm picking up on a new profound chapter that you are now walking into, Divine Collective. For some of you, you may be walking into this new chapter with someone, okay? Hand in hand, Divine Collective. That's not for everyone, okay? You're almost there, Spirit says. The illusions are not working on you. Someone tried to send illusions so that you would have extra steps to take, so to say, so that you couldn't get to this Wheel of Fortune, Divine Collective, kind of like a scavenger hunt. They know that they can't stop you from getting to your inheritance. However, they can distract you. They can throw things on your path so it will take you longer to get there, Divine Collective. That's what I'm picking up on, okay? Well, at least that's how they feel in their mind, okay? But nothing that they have done is having any type of effect on you, Divine Collective. Spirit says you're someone who knows how to control yourself. You know how to control your emotions. After everything that you've been through, Divine Collective, that has taught you how to control yourself, how to control your emotions. For some of you, you may have been in an abusive relationship here, okay? Someone really wants you to believe, Divine Collective. This is a lot of emotional manipulation, okay? And I continue to pick up on this because this is not a good person, but they just really want to plead their case here, okay? Emotional manipulation, emotional manipulator. Someone really wants you to believe that they want to fix this, that they want to rescue this relationship now, okay? It's now or never, Divine Collective. I keep picking up on that. This person just keeps lingering, okay? Desperate attempts to elevate themselves. They've been exposed and now they're humiliated, okay? This is a very low vibrational, I heard passionate energy, Divine Collective. So they're very passionate about being low vibrational. This is also an energy harvester, okay? I heard coming for young girls. What? Coming for young girls, Divine Collective. The fairies are here. This is the first time I picked up on the fairies, Divine Collective. I'm getting fairies. Mother Nature is of significance. The fairies are telling me that whoever this is, they plan to use your children against you. A snake in the grass. They plan to use your children against you. This was their master plan to break your heart, to steal your crown, Divine Collective, by using your children against you. Someone is going to tell on someone. I'm hearing in this satanic group. This is a satanic group. Someone is going to tell on someone for what they've tried to do to you, Divine Collective. In some situations, someone is even trying to get back into your house so that they can take out a camera that they put in or something that they left behind. This could even be an object, piece of jewelry. This is an cursed object or either a camera, Divine Collective. Someone, if you have someone really trying to come over, you know, maybe they're calling you every day like, hey, what's up? And this isn't something that they usually do. They always want to come over, hang out. Listen to your intuition, Divine Collective. Someone is really trying to get back into your house because they left something behind. They hid something and now they want to get it back out. Because the longer it's in your home, the worse their lives get. The worse the karma gets, Divine Collective, okay? Let them know how you feel, Divine Collective. People are now releasing whoever this is from your past, Divine Collective, that is part of the satanic group. They're starting to feel rejected and abandoned because they are being released. People no longer want to work with this person. Okay, I'm getting the name Layla in this reading, Layla. Spirit is telling you to patent, trademark your work, Divine Collective. Patent, trademark your work. 945 must be of significance. I meant 545, Divine Collective. Someone is having a severe breakdown here. A lot of worry I'm picking up on that they've been caught, Divine Collective, okay? Everything is playing out here. This person is having some type of breakdown. You expose something about a financial strategy, Divine Collective, and someone here is worried that they're about to lose everything because they are. They are about to lose everything, and everything is coming back to you, Divine Collective. Whatever was stolen, whatever was taken, whatever was manipulated away from you, or not just you. Let me make this clear, Divine Collective. Whatever was stolen, taken, manipulated from you, your ancestors, your great ancestors, Divine Collective, it's all coming back to you. Whatever was taken, okay? You're getting it all back. Someone has gotten to a place of peace about you and them, Divine Collective. Spirit really wants you to continue to create from a place of clarity and authenticity here. Again, patent, trademark, whatever this is that you're doing. It would be very beneficial, important, Divine Collective. It's time to tap into your resources, Spirit says. It's time to take action. Spirit says that this person will find a way to communicate with you, to get to you, but they're going to get rejected. They will find a way. They're very desperate. You know what I'm thinking is you may have children with this person, Divine Collective, so you may have to kind of see this person or communicate with this person on a certain level, so to say. And I do feel like that is what they're going to use to try to get in. Okay, something about kids, Divine Collective, but they're going to get rejected. Your ancestors are like the audacity. The audacity, again, whoever this is, it's really just about distracting you and keeping you from getting to your wheel of fortune. It's already yours. It's already here, Divine Collective. And it's all about divine timing. They even think that these distractions or things that they're throwing on your path is making a difference, but it's not. It has everything to do with divine timing and nothing to do with them, Divine Collective. That's their ego. Not willing to let control of the situation. Okay? They think they're controlling the outcome. That is ego. This person is very jealous of you, Divine Collective. I keep hearing an emotional manipulator who is good at what they do, Divine Collective. Spirit is saying that you are being lied to by someone close in your energy. Someone is lying to you here, Divine Collective. This ex is stuck in a karmic cycle. It's very beneficial that you stay away from this person. I know a lot of you are like, Dottie, I'm not going backwards, but I'm just here to tell the storyline, okay? Your ex is stuck in a karmic cycle here, and you just don't want any part of that, Divine Collective. You have a lot of blessings headed your way. This energy is very nice that I'm picking up on. I'm getting the Ace of Pentacles, stability and security, reliability, dependability, Divine Collective, okay? Again, you have a lot of blessings headed your way. You walked away from a lot of people that were mocking you. They tried to make you feel ashamed, Divine Collective.